Hey guys, today we are going to be installing the Turblown 13B stud kit on my Rotary. Couple quick tips, super quick video. These are great anywhere from 700 to 1,000 horsepower. At the point of making anywhere over 500-600, it's worth getting the stud kit. Gonna go through the recommended install. So essentially, you'll wanna place in all of your studs and torque them to 4 inch-pounds. You will use this Titan pattern right here. Put in all of your studs, torque to 4 inch-pounds in that pattern, and then let's go ahead and install all of the nuts. At this point now with the nuts, you are gonna do this in 4 sequences, essentially 10-pound increments. So you'll do that sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 18, and set your torque wrench to 10 foot-pounds. You'll do an entire round of that. Then you'll do it again for 20 foot-pounds, you'll do it again for 30 foot-pounds, and you'll do it again for 40 foot-pounds, and you'll leave it at 40 foot-pounds entirely. You'll see that these are noted to have a maximum of 77 foot-pounds. You don't want to torque higher than 40 foot-pounds. You will risk cracking a housing. So one quick thing, before these go on, you'll want to clear your surface area and make sure that you don't have any gook in the way, and you'll want to throw some gasket sealer on the bottom of your nuts while you place them so that everything is sealed. I will be using Toyota fibbage. I'll show you how I'll dabble it, put it on, and then we'll torque them. So let's do it. Okay, so now that I've got this ready to go, I'm gonna take some fibbage. While I place each and every one of these bolts to get them snug, I'm just gonna go ahead and dab a little bit of fibbage all over the bottom of the bolt. So when it seats, it can get seated properly. And do that for everyone as you place them down. Go ahead and set your torque wrench to 10 foot-pounds. I'm just gonna start mine at 12.5 because that's as low as my torque wrench will go. Now go ahead and set it to 20 foot-pounds and repeat the same thing. Set it to 30 foot-pounds and repeat. Okay, for our final round, you're gonna set it to 35 foot-pounds at first because you're gonna send these bottom two, the first two, to 35 foot-pounds because they're OEM, and then the rest of these will be 40, but the first two, 35 foot-pounds. Now set your torque wrench to 40 foot-pounds and go ahead and finish the final torque sequence. And there you have it. We have installed the Turblown stud kit for the 13B. If you followed those steps, super easy. You got it done. Now you can go ahead and put your turbo kit on. Bam. All right, guys, this is Henry from the Speed Culture channel, and I will see you for another video next week.